welcome to another video. So today we're going to open the Ancient Ruins Bracelet beading kit. So a while back I designed this bracelet using the beads from the Stonehenge Ancient Ruins Collection, and that's the collection that Eureka Crystal Beads and I collaborated on, and we made several pieces. So they reached out to me and asked me if they could make a bracelet kit from this design, and I said, of course. I was thrilled. So look at these three colors. So here's the original right here. So here you go. And then here are the other two colors. So we have this gorgeous blue and silver, and look at this. I think this is green sphinx, and this is the kit that I'm going to open that's in here today. So I've already taken the card out of the plastic because the plastic, my lights reflect the plastic, but this is how it's going to look. So let's take a look at this. I've taken everything out. Here's our card. Turn it over. So pretty. I love how they do this. And it says, create something beautiful with Eureka Crystal Beads and Bronze Pony. So I've written you a little note. I'll read a little bit of it. The Ancient Ruins Bracelet is inspired by the powerful energy of ancient places, the connection to the earth, and the passage of time. And there's a little bit more. I'll let you read that. There's a little QR code to the video tutorial. Here's their social media. Of course, I'll link the video tutorial in the description box below this video as well. So here we go. Let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, so I'm going to show you this gorgeous cushion cut fancy stone, and this is a 16 millimeter. Isn't that stunning? And I just wanted to give you a look. So here's the bracelet this is the one I made in Tanzania. I actually made two of them. The other one's over there. And then here, what if I put this right here and give you an idea of what this gorgeous green sphinx color looks like? I think I like this the best. I mean, I love the tanzanite, but look how vibrant, and that's just mesmerizing. I love that beautiful color. So along with that gorgeous cushion cut, we have the 4 millimeter faceted round beads, and these are sort of like an emeraldy color. And then look at that beautiful delica. We've got the pearls that you need to put around the face and then on the end here. So those are really pretty. Then we have an 11-0 and a 15-0. And I really love the metallic here. It's sort of bronzy, light bronze, dark bronze, and sort of a even lighter on the delica. So I love that contrast. It gives such depth to a piece. And then here you have your clasp and all your jump rings. So everything you need but the thread. So you'll need to add your thread. So I hope you love this. Take a look at the kit on their website. As I said, I'll put a link down below. And this one is just stunning. They're all stunning, but I'm loving this one so much. So I want to thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have fun with your kit. Take care. I'll see you next time.